Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and you're taking care of yourself as always. This look, I created it with product that I received from my past Boxycharm boxes. I really enjoyed filming it, so I hope you're gonna like it. So don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. So let's get started. I'm starting with my bare face. As you can see, I have nothing on my face right now except moisturizer and lip balm.
We're gonna use products that I received from Boxycharm.
So let's get started with the brows. In one of my past Boxycharm boxes, I received this brow pencil. I used it so much that it doesn't have the name on it anymore. So it has a spoolie, and this is the tip of the brow pencil. What I do, I use this part to comb my brows hair. And I use this part to outline my brows and get the shape that I want before I fill it in with powder. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Bourgal. I broke it, but it's like a really good brow powder. You have 3 shades, and I use this one for my brows. This brush, also from Boxycharm. It's a really good brush. So I'm gonna use this shade to do my eyebrows. Look at the difference between this one and this one. I'm gonna do the other one off camera. So this is what my brows are looking like right now. So I'm gonna use this. This is a Bare Minerals Prep Step Broad Spectrum SPF 50. So I'm gonna use it to prime my face. So I'm done applying it. So I don't think I received any concealer from Boxycharm. So I'm just gonna use any concealers to do my eyebrows and prime my eyelids. This is what my face is looking like right now, but don't worry, it's not gonna stay like that because when I apply foundation, it's gonna blend together. So now we're going into the eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna show you some of the eyeshadow palettes that I received from Boxycharm. These are some of them. We are here to do your squats. Really beautiful natural colors. Glam Meadows Background Pro. Look at this mirror, So this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. Really big mirror. And also beautiful neutral shades. This shimmer, I use it sometimes as an highlighter. We have the Winky Lux Kitten Palette. There's no mirror in this one, but yeah. You can see that I use this shade a lot. I really like those duochrome shades. Oh my god, they are so pretty. And then this month I received the Boxycharm with Pure. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this blue. Okay, I think it's the one we're gonna use today. I'm gonna try to play with the blue. As a transition shade, I'm gonna use this and mix it with that one. And apply it all over my lids. I'm gonna use this shade in the Kitty Lux palette and apply it on my lids. And then blend all the colors together. For the rest of the makeup, I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna use this maroon color and try to deepen my crease. Like kind of a round shape. See, look at the difference in this one and this one. This is what it looks like now. And I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna go ahead with this mauve shade over there. and apply it in the outer corners. This is what it looks like right now. Like I say almost every time, take your time and blend your eyeshadow. That's what's gonna give you the best look. In videos, the things are speed up, so even if you see the person like
Blah, 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 blah.
and then they're done, like they spend time blending eyeshadows, like wasn't in 1 second and they're done. So take your time. Okay, now let me swatch the blue and see what I want to do with it. Right now I'm gonna try applying the blue shade with this brush and see how it works, because some shimmery eyeshadow works better applied with a finger, but let's try another brush. I'm gonna use this brush. It's from Ulta. Yeah, it works better. I still think it would be better with a finger, but like the brush gets the job done also. Okay, this is what it looks like right now without blending much. So I'm gonna do the same to the other eyes and proceed. I'm gonna take this brush again and tap in this color again. Kind of blend it. Keep blending. In the Kitty palette, I'm gonna take the shade and I'm gonna apply it in the crease again. I'm kind of happy with it. I don't know if you guys like it or not. I'm gonna spray my brush with some Fix Plus. And I'm gonna try to apply the blue shade again. See if it's like more vibrant. It's better with the Fix Plus. This is what it's looking like right now. Don't worry. We're gonna remove all this part with foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation or camera. I'm back. So I couldn't find the fake lashes that I received from Boxycharm, so I chose to use something else. To blend my lashes with the fake one, I'm gonna use the Tartes from Tarte. As blush, I'm gonna use Pretty Vulgar blush in Hush Blush. It's pretty. I don't like blush usually, but this one is really natural. This is the Naked Cosmetic. Look at those shades. But I don't know if I can use those today. This one that I like to use a lot is the Becca highlighter in the shade Prosecco Pop. I'm gonna start applying that. And I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna take this small brush and apply that on the arc of my brows. So for I line my lips with a pencil that I had because I don't think I received any lip liner in my past boxes. So I'm gonna use the Tarte's lip paint in the shade Delish. This is after applying. No, what I'm gonna do to do like an ombre, I'm gonna take a small brush and then, you know, blend the lip liner and the lipstick together. I received the Cover FX setting spray in my past boxes, but I already finished it, so I cannot use it right now because obviously it's done. So I'm gonna use my Max Fix Plus or camera. This is what my face is looking like right now. I really like the result. I don't know about you guys, but I really do. So thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed like watching me using my Boxycharm products. Please tell me in the comments what kind of video you want me to film next. I have a lot of ideas, but I don't know what you guys want to see. So please tell me. Comment and tell me what you want. What you think about this makeup, what you think about Boxycharm, and I'm gonna read you and reply to everybody. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Love you guys.